everyone, welcome to Just channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to prevent Google from deleting your inactive account. It's a shock to me when I hear this news. But after this video is premiered, you still have 3 weeks to respond. If your account has no activity for a period of time, it will be considered as inactive account. Once Google defines as inactive account, they will delete it starting December 1st. We'll be clearing all your contents and data. Let's read the Google inactive account policy. 7 actions to take to keep your account active. First, reading or sending email. Second, use Google Drive. Third, watch YouTube video with your account. Sharing a photo. Download an app. Using Google Search. Using Sign In with Google to sign into a third-party app. First, let's log out our main email and then go to an inactive email or sign into an inactive email. And now, the first one is you need to read or send an email. So you go to Gmail and then you need to read an email. The second one is you need to go to Google Drive and then yes, I have previously stored some photos on my drive. And the third one is you need to use your Google account, go to YouTube and watch YouTube video. The fourth one is sharing a photo. So you need to go to the photo and upload a photo and then share your photo over here. The fifth one is download an app. Go to App Store, you can choose Windows, and then below is a series of apps you can install. Using Google search, the next one is very easy. You can just search for any keyword. And the last one, using sign in with Google to sign into a third-party app. A third-party app is like Google Map, or you can use Google Translate